If you're looking for a low-carb pizza base, I've got the recipe for you. Stay tuned. Hi and welcome to Cook with Mel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get all our recipes. As you know, on our channel, we love presenting one net carb recipes, and we consider taste, we consider, how easy it is to make, etc., etc. And today we have got a pizza base by Jimmy James, and he is just an innovative Australian guy, and I love showcasing his recipes. This recipe will take you literally 5 minutes to make, and you can pop it in the oven. Let me show you that recipe. First, set your oven to 340 degrees Fahrenheit or 170 degrees Celsius, and grease and line a baking tray. Then to a mixing bowl, I'm going to add a tablespoon of mixed herbs. I'm using dried mixed herbs, but you can use Italian herbs as well. And you can also change it to a teaspoon if you don't like, a herby base. And then a teaspoon of gelatin, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of onion powder. Mix all your herbs and spices together so it's fully incorporated, and crack in 2 eggs. And you're going to whisk that again or mix it again. That's pretty good. And now you're going to add 200 grams of mozzarella cheese and fully combine that again. Now that that's fully incorporated, dump it all onto your lined baking tray in the middle of the tray, and now we're going to spread it and shape it the way we want, and I'm just going for a simple round. And you want to flatten it as well, as much as you can. Okay, and I'm told I have got my pizza base in a perfect circle. But you don't have to, do it as you like. And now we're going to bake this for 15 minutes. Look at this. I could eat this all by myself, like just on its own. Absolutely gorgeous. Right, we're going to let this cool a little, and it's going to solidify, and then I'll show you what to do after that. Now that it's cooled a bit, you're going to place another baking paper sheet over. This is just a cutting board. That's my trick of the day. And now your pizza base is ready for all its toppings. So, I'm not including a topping in this one because I want to give you the option of adding whatever you like. You could add, cheese, mozzarella, whatever, chicken, bacon, and bake for 10 minutes or until your toppings are cooked and your cheese is melted. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video is valuable to you and you get to have this great pizza. See ya.